Hello YouTube, hope all you guys doing very well. Today we have Infiniti Q50 3.0, I think, twin turbo. So the problem on this vehicle, we have OBD code about turbo charger A control. The code is P0046. So which means turbo wastegate control on the bank 1. So this is the connector of the boost controller. So I remove the connector, and now there is a problem to remove the wastegate. We all know it's too hard to remove the wastegate, and maybe there is no problem with the wastegate. Maybe there is a problem with wiring or with the control module itself. So the way I diagnose this problem, I will share with you guys. What I did, I took all 5 wires from the bank 2 side. This is the connector from the bank 2 side. I removed the connector. Then I took like this 5 wires from the boost control from the bank 2 side. Then connect all these 5 wires into this connector. Then I go to the scan tool. I clear the code. So if there is a problem with the ECU or maybe with the wiring, I should get same code. But if there is no problem with these things, then I should only get code about this connector, because this is not connected. So after doing this setup, I erase all the codes. Then I start the vehicle, and the code P0046 just gone away. That's mean it's a bad turbocharge controller. No issue with the wiring and with the ECU unit. Now I am safe to ask customer to bring new part, and we will install the new part. So this is another way you can diagnose something. So you can confirm before buying the part or before removing the part. On the safe side, when customer will bring new wastegate, I will also put here and just connect the connector, and I will check again on the scan tool. If everything is okay, then we will proceed to install the new part. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to my channel.